She's in safely.
Kitty. She's hangry. Hangry. Just got done eating dinner early because we don't know if they're talking about power outages.
Record-setting heat has brought us dangerously close to power outages. In fact, we're at a stage 3 emergency alert right now, which means rolling blackouts are next.
We have all the blinds down. I'm going through the refrigerator, trying to discard things. Tonight is garbage night. I have those to freeze if possible. And I was going to run this later on tonight, but since it's so hot, I'm thinking why not just go ahead and do my dishes by hand just to save electricity here. I have all the lights off. I was thinking about Michelle from my everyday wife life, how she gets prepared for hurricanes. I put do not drink just so that can also help just in case if the power does go out. I should have a couple of more in there that way in case. Cleaning out the fridge, as you can see. But man, it is hot. It's about 106, which is so not normal here. They say tomorrow could reach up to like 108, 110 here. My friends are complaining because they're in 112 today. Even San Francisco is at 90 degrees and a lot of them don't have air conditioning, so yikes. So I'm hoping everyone's safe. I think that's enough water. Okay, I'm gonna need 2 hands to do my dishes by hand. So I'm gonna take everything out and do this so I don't have anything for the dishwasher.
Hi, I'm Dee, and welcome to my channel, Dee Lovely Life, encouraging others with hope and positivity as a family caregiver and homemaker. A variety of videos, sharing, showing, chatting, and sometimes a burst of laughs. Let's face it, things happen in life, so why not make it lovely?
Okay, so checky. We're doing good. See Kitty there. Oh, we missed the sunset. There's a train over there. I don't know if you can see that or not. We're leaving base. We're gonna stay here at Edwards Air Force Base for the night, then head over to Vegas. It's gorgeous. It's 97. So good, so good. Okay, time to get back in the car. My driver. Love you. Queen G slept in that room. That room nobody went in. The other side is the master bedroom, and that little window there is the living room. I've given so many room tours in my previous videos. Go check those out if you haven't seen those. Jets flying everywhere. Ooh, 6 feet. Just kidding. Bless you. Here is the kitchen. Jay's already started the dishwasher. I freezed half of my lasagna and it defrosted by the time we got here last night, and I just popped it into the microwave and we enjoyed a really good lasagna last night. We're ready to go. Queen G's tote. I just keep all her essentials there. It's easy. Just grab and go. Her suitcase and everything is in the vehicle. Our ice chest, we need to stop and get some more ice. Queen G's right here watching the news. I'm vlogging.
Oh, you are?
Uh-huh.
Morning. I've been.
I've been. That means good morning in Navajo. So this is the living room. First room is an office, bathroom. Second room, twins. We see Kitty over there. Kitty's like, she tired. Her and I didn't get much sleep last night. Here is all of the extras, extra pillow, extra blankets. This is the master bedroom, your bathroom here. And then another room. No, I'm just kidding. It's a walk-in closet. Nice, huh? And a very dirty window, but that's all right. This is a pet-friendly place, and that's the tour. Queen G is saying to Jay, they have house cleaners. Housekeeping. We do our due diligence though, because you know we have kitty's hair and all that, and try to keep it as tidy as possible. I should have done a tiny tidy. Darn! Hey, go check out that tiny tidy videos. Hashtag the tiny tidy team. We got plenty of storage here, and they also have extra kennels, trailer hitch. This is what carries Queen G's wheelchair, her HOYER lift to get her into the Denali. It just lifts her straight up. There's like a net, a seat net, and you just, and it just raises her up. She's like, I'm ready. And then that gets her safely into the Denali, because the Denali is high to get in. I mean, the seat is probably there.
Oh my goodness.
Go all the way.
On this wheel.
And we say if there was any kids around, we could definitely make some money. What is it?
$10.
$10? I said $1 at first. Now
Older kids, $10.
older kids $10. Okay.
Young kids, $1.
Younger kids $1. She's in safely.
Annie lost her slippers.
Oh, there you go.
She's in. Look at that smile. Mom, where are we going? Not Disneyland.
We're going home, sweet home.
Yes, we're going home. Sweet home.
Be happy.
Yes, it's upside down. Yep. Yes, be happy. Awesome, Mom. And then she can easily just get out. And Queen G is nice and secure in here. We have seatbelt extensions. We have an air mattress down that's nicely inflated, and then we have a backup that just lays on top of that in case we need to inflate that. And we have lots of pillows, and we listen to Queen G's music like Elvis Presley and Neil Diamond, and I hear a jet somewhere out here. Because we have Kitty and it's hot, we blast the ACs, the air conditioning, so it reaches Kitty back there, but we tape the ones that are directly over her head because she freezes. And then that's why I have this nice Pendleton blanket for her so that she doesn't get too cold. We just got over climbing the last hill. But there's tons of butterflies everywhere. Whoa. So I'm trying to see if I can capture a few. Ooh, there goes one. If you're watching this on your cell phone, I doubt you can make these butterflies out. Cute. Oh, one just flew. Oh yeah. Wow, there is a lot of butterflies. They're all going this way. That's something interesting I haven't seen. We're going to be coming up to State Line in Nevada. The Lotto store. Queen G said, "Welcome to Nevada." Yay! Queen G would have to come down here, get their lotto tickets if it was a big drawing. Gosh, that hasn't been in service in years. South Point. That's my dad's hangout. Yahoo! We're in Vegas. On the state line, we're like, and we're back. And then within a couple of minutes, my sister texts me because she can follow me where I'm at. She goes, "Yay!" She goes, "You're in Nevada now." And my dad just left here. He's on his way to Window Rock for the fair over there. And anyways, he just left like maybe about an hour ago. So he was hour out, we were an hour in. So that was weird. Anywho, look at that. All the clouds are that way, but I think it's gonna start coming over here. Ooh, what am I looking at? Where? Oh. Squirrel.
No doubt. I was just passing by the channel and I heard you out there. I wasn't sure who it was. But sounding good. Have yourself a safe weekend coming up and we'll catch you again when we can. Louie, West Side, take care.